Okay, this thing right here is the mechanism that lets me disengage the feed dogs, because there's a set screw that goes right here, okay, and this sleeve slides this way, whoop, which lets the feed dogs right there not go up and down, okay. Now I can't get at the end of it to give it a nice tap because this thing's in the way, which seems kind of immovable. And let me get you a look at the end of it. If you can see it, it's kind of hard to see, but it looks like there's a tube inside that the middle sleeve slides on, and the whole thing slides in this housing right here. Now that housing, this is where it gets fun, that is attached to this, which is a C-shaped thing, so this whole rod has to come out, which means I undo it at this end, I think, and then we go over here and we undo this, but wait, that's attached to this, so we have to undo this, and then we have to undo this, and then we have to undo all of this, and I think I'm going to have to take the entire bottom of the machine apart to fix my feed dog lowering problem, which isn't what I want to do. I have doused it with sewing machine oil and run a professional quality hair dryer in its direction for 5 minutes, getting all the metal parts warmer than I can touch. Let me find my flashlight. That's what the end of it looks like. Right there, that little round guy hanging out. So I'm not sure how to approach this. If anybody has any ideas, I would be delighted to hear it.